In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a file. So for example, we've done 4 slides here. So we've already started our presentation. And even though Microsoft PowerPoint does automatic or regular backups in the background for you, just in case something would happen, it might not capture the latest thing you've done. So it's a good idea to get in the habit of saving your file every once in a while, every few slides that you do, just in case something would happen. You don't want to lose all that work that you put into creating your spreadsheet or your presentation. So here we're looking at slide 4, so it doesn't really matter which slide you're on when you go to save a file. We're going to go up here to the ribbon and click on File. And when you save a file for the first time, you really want to go to Save As. Now, since this file has never been saved before, if we clicked on Save this first time, then PowerPoint knows that you've not saved it before. It doesn't know, it doesn't have a specific name for the file. It doesn't have a location, so it would take you to the Save As dialog box. But anytime you want to change the location of the file or change the name of the file, you need to make sure that you click on Save As. If you click on Save, it will just save with that same name and same location and just save any updates that you've recently done. So let's go ahead and click on Save. And then here in this area, we need to tell it where we want to save the file. Your options might be different depending on if you have a cloud drive or not. We're going to click on this PC, so we'll save it on our hard drive on our computer. And notice it's going to save it in the folder called Documents. This is just kind of a generic, basic place that your files will be saved. You can create other folders, and then you would have to locate that folder to save it in there, but we're not going to cover that in this lesson. So here we're going to give it a name. So we're going to click in this area, and we're going to type My Book Report. Now, I like to name my files with no spaces in them most of the time. Sometimes I put spaces in there. It doesn't really matter. You can put spaces or you don't have to put spaces. It's just up to you. And then notice down here what kind of file it's saving. It's a PowerPoint presentation, and that's what we want. So we're going to go over here, and we're going to click on Save. Notice at the top now, where it said Presentation 1, it now says My Book Report, which is the name of the file that we just saved. So that is how you would save a file. Now, if we went in here and maybe added a slide 5, maybe added a slide 6, now we want to save those changes or those updates that we've done to the file. In that case, we can go up here and click on File, and this time all we have to do is click on Save. It might look like nothing happened, but it does. It saves those latest changes that we made to the presentation. We could also click on this button right here, okay, on our quick access menu. Right here is the Save button, and notice also the shortcut in that tip that pops up, Control plus S. So if you hold down your Control button on your keyboard, tap your S button, that is another way that you can save.